That stadium being named after Manohar Parrikar because CM has already.
Together, I'm thankful to the Chief Minister, no? For basically.
Because you had put up that proposal and.
I had put up and there were other people. It was more of an emotional this thing. And I think because we had not removed anyone's name basically to put Mr. Parrikar's name. All the people of Panjim actually wanted his name to be this thing. So I'm thankful to the Chief Minister basically for taking a decision.
Would there be more demands like this to any other sports active facility?
And then when the demands come, we will see that.
Okay. Actually, meeting it actually.
Meeting in general, yeah. Just now assembly also session is there for a week now. And then Zilla Parishad elections also there.
Sir, Carnival route we parot old age right?
Old का सांग दाव ना
What? Old age. Miramar.
Miramar is not feasible this thing also. And I must say that tradition should be kept. More of the tourists and all those things are in Panjim. No one comes specially there to in Miramar.
Okay.
So that's the reason I said let us go ahead with that. And it is nice that Funkit also this time Funkit is the president of the Carnival committee. So I hope and I'm sure that Carnival will be back again on the old old heydays.
CM has agreed on that.
Agreed.
They have a.
Where's the question of this? It comes under CCP. CCP gives the route.
Businessman any objection आले लेकिन.
हुंच्या businessman. केन्ना businessman? हुंच्या businessman.
मेयरान सांगले.
हाँ?
मेयर सांगले.
कोण आहे ऑब्जेक्ट हुंय हाडलेले हुंय?
फाटी ऍप्लिकेशन दिते आधी तिका शिफ्ट केला.
हुंय तिंगा केल्लो म्हण आय डोंट